today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the progress bar feature in Monday.com. If you're looking for a simple, visual way to track task completion, this tutorial is exactly what you need. So let's dive in. To get started, we're going to add a new column to your board. You'll want to navigate to the right side of your board, right next to your existing columns. Here, you'll find the plus icon, which you'll click to open up a search bar. This is where we take our first steps toward integrating the wonderful feature of progress tracking. Simply type in progress tracking into the search bar, and from the results that appear, select the progress tracking column. In an instant, you'll see a shiny new column pop up, complete with a progress bar for each row. This bar serves as a quick and intuitive way to visualize your progress at a glance. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, customizing this progress bar to fit your unique needs. Hover your cursor over the progress tracking column header until you spot the three-dot icon. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Settings. Within this menu, you'll see the option for Customize Progress Tracking. This is where the real magic happens, and you gain full control over what your progress bars will represent. Inside this customization panel, you'll see a list featuring all the columns present on your board. Take a moment to uncheck any columns that you don't want to include in your progress calculation. This allows you to focus on the elements that really matter to you. For the columns you do want to track, you have the opportunity to assign specific percentages. This is where you can fine-tune the weight that each contributes to the overall progress. Let's say, for example, a certain step of a task is particularly critical. You can allot a higher percentage to indicate its importance in the grand scheme of your project. Once you've meticulously set everything up to your liking, go ahead and hit the Save button. And with that, your progress bar is fully customized. From this point onward, each tasks bar will reflect accurate updates automatically as you make changes, offering you a clear, up-to-the-minute picture of how far along each item is within your workflow. And that's all there is to it. You now have a fully functional and tailored progress bar in Monday.com. This powerful feature not only helps you manage projects, but also aids in tracking tasks and monitoring the performance of your team. Progress becomes crystal clear with this visually appealing tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips, and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments section. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.